Coffee roaster, 750 grams coffee roaster machine, non-stick coffee bean roaster for home use 110V by TuTu home. Large capacity, equipped with 750 grams 1.65 pounds 26.45 ounces capacity baking tray for green coffee bean. This can bake a large number of coffee beans, work quickly and conveniently. The optimum amount of roasted coffee beans from 300 grams 500 grams non-stick base, black food grade layer base of this coffee bean roaster, safe, easy to clean. Non-stick makes the coffee roasting healthy delicacy. You will not have to spend hours cleaning the coffee roaster. High efficient, 110V high power agitator, roast 750 grams green coffee bean in 25 minutes, larger baking room for large volume baking.Rated voltage 110V, heating power 800W, high temperature resistant PP material body. Professional design, coffee roaster builds with rotating rods inside to stir for uniform, and thermostatic roasting heat resistant coffee roaster. The transparent lid with venting holes allows you to see internal processing and smell fragrance. Coffee roaster details, appearance height 6.5 inches, outside diameter 12 inches, bottom diameter 8.85 inches, rated voltage 110V, heating power 800W, high temperature resistant PP material body, fully automatic 0 to 240 adjustable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.